say I get this a equals to 90 just now, right? And now I want to change this value. I change this a value. A equals to 900. So now the latest a value is how much? 900, right? So 900. So the question that I want to ask you is, in these functions here, this one that I pass in, this x1, will this change to 900 as well?
Yes. Yes.
No, why? Because no, not because of it's a main function. Because this a is actually declared in this function, right? This is a local variable. This local variable is only used in these functions only. You cannot access from to outside. Outside other functions, let's say these functions or these functions, you cannot get this value a equals to 900. It's actually running in these functions only. So it will not affect other functions. Here the x1 will still remain 90. Okay? The value that you're passing inside will remain 90. Just that the a inside these functions you actually modify and change it to 900 only. Okay? So this is the good thing for local variable. What if it's a global variable? Now I show you global variable. So global variable, I don't have this one. Here I remove everything. So I remove this one. So I will put this into on top here. Oh, I got it already. Okay, so this is actually global variable. Okay, I remove everything here. Let's say this x1 equals to 90, x2 equals to 60. Okay, this is global variable. So remember, global variable can be accessed by any function, right? So let's say I go back into my get input here. Okay? When I call this x1, let's say my cout equals to x1. Like this. So this x1, what is the value for this x1? So this x1 will be 90. The value will be 90. Okay? So what if I don't like 90? I want to assign another value. I put it at x1 equals to 900. Like this. So the x1 value change, right? So if this x1 value change here, will this value change? Yes, it will change. So global variables, it will actually affect other functions. Let's say now I change this to x1 equals to 900. So if I go to another functions, I go and see out this x1. The x1 will be how much? It will become 900. Let's say I see out here, example, x1. So the value here will be